the order and degree of the differential equation. In some questions we see that there is written degree is not defined. Then how that comes? We will see here. Today every kind of concept will be clear. See here, order. Highest derivative of differential equation has its order. Means in any differential equation, the highest order derivative is its order. Here we can see d2y by dx square, x square d2y by dx square plus y dy by dx plus 4y square is equal to 1. In this question, we can see here d2y by dx square is its highest derivative. So we can say that its order is 2. Now degree, the power raised to highest order derivative. In the question, d2y by dx square is highest derivative and its power is its degree. Then what is its power? In this question, d2y by dx square, it contains power 1. So we can say that its degree is 1. Now let us see the next question. It is easy. Now see here, sin dy by dx plus d2y by dx square plus 3x is equal to 0. In this question, the highest derivative is d2y by dx square. So its order is equal to 2 and its degree. What we will say its degree? It has its power 1. The highest derivative has its power and that power is its degree. So this power is 1, we can say its degree is 1. In the same way, let us see the next question. Sin dqy by dx cube is equal to dy by dx plus x. The necessary condition for degree is that the highest order derivative must not be in trigonometric, exponential or fractional. If the highest derivative is in trigonometric function or exponential function or a fraction, then its degree will not be defined. You can see here in this question, sin d3y by dx cube, it is in sine function. So order has no any restriction. We can say that order is highest derivative is dq by dx cube, then its order is 3, but its degree is not defined. We easily say, but why we not define its degree? Let us see here. The expansion, we know the expansion of sin x. The expansion of sin x is what? X minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial up to infinity and so on. We can see here, when we write here instead of x we write dqy by dx cube, then what we see that its power goes on increasing and certainly its power becomes infinity, as at last we see here dqy by dx cube to the power infinity and infinity factorial, which is not defined. So this we see here its power is infinity. So we cannot say its power is infinity, so we cannot define it. So the degree is not defined. This is the condition. This sin x function is not a polynomial function, but we convert by doing its expansion to a polynomial function, and that polynomial function is up to infinity, and that infinity polynomial, its power is raised to infinity, so it will not be defined. In the same way, let us see, this is the exponential function. The highest derivative is an exponential function, so we can say easily order is 2, but its degree we will say not defined. Why? We will see the case. The expansion of e to the power x is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus up and so on. Here when we write d2y by dx square here, then its expansion goes like this. Yes, its expansion goes like this, and certainly up to infinity we can say that d2y by dx square, it will become infinity by infinity factorial. So its power raised to infinity. which is not defined. So its degree is not defined. It is a polynomial function, but its power is raised to infinity, so it will not be defined. I am writing an important question, which is a very interesting question, and it may be asked in any kind of competitive examination. So you must know about that question. I am writing that question. Find dy by dx into d3y by dx square, sorry, dx cube minus log y is equal to x square. In this question, we can say that the derivative is in sine function, which is multiplied by the highest order derivative. So when we do the expansion of sine dy by dx, then what it will give? It will give x dy by dx minus dy by dx whole square whole cube by 3 factorial plus dy by dx whole to the power 5 by 5 factorial and so on. But this function is multiplied by d cube y by dx cube. When we multiply it by dy sine dy by dx, then what we see that this d cube y by dx cube is multiplied by every function. So at infinity, what we see, dy by dx to the power infinity by infinity factorial into d cube y by dx cube, which is highest order derivative. In the expansion of this, the whole derivative is multiplied by d cube y by dx cube. So we can say that the degree is defined here. We cannot say that degree is not defined. In this part, the degree is defined, and we can say its order is, we know already 3, but its degree is defined and is 1. Everywhere in this function multiplied d cube y by dx cube, it will be 1. So if you will directly solve this problem, then you will directly say that it is in a sine function, so the degree is not defined. No, it is not a compulsory case. When we will do these expansion and we will solve it, then we will conclude that its degree is defined or not defined. So this was an important question. It may be asked, it will clear all your concepts about order and degree of the differential equation. So in the next lecture, I will start about ordinary differential equation. So please continue with my all videos which I will upload. This is my first video. Please, if you like this video, then please subscribe and share it among friends and everybody. Thank you.